Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into the charming world of farmhouse decoration. Whether you are a rural or an urban yearning for a touch of rustic elegance, farmhouse decor has something for everyone. Let's explore the key elements that define this timeless style. First of all, we have to color the palette. Farmhouse decor, often neutral tones like whiteness, beiges, and grays. These create a warm and inviting atmosphere of the countryside. Now, on to furniture. Think well, warm pieces that exude a sense of history. Distressed wood, wrought iron, and vintage pieces are staples of farmhouse decor. These items not only add character but also provide a lived in feel. Textiles play a role. Consider incorporating cozy blankets, soft throw pillows, and neutral fabrics like linen and cotton. These elements enhance the comfort and casual charm of a farmhouse inspired space. Farmhouse decor would not be complete without the iconic barn doors. These sliding doors not only save space but also add a rustic touch, making them a popular choice for both homes and interior design enthusiasts. Now let's talk about accent mason jars. Metal and weather signs are quintessential farmhouse accessories. These elements add a touch of rural authenticity to any space. When it comes to lighting, think of fixtures that blend the industrial with the rustic. Pendant lights with exposed bulbs or wrought iron candle can be excellent choices to illuminate your farmhouse themed rooms. Lastly, let's not forget about greenery. Bring the outdoor inside with potted plants, herbs, or even a small indoor garden. This not only adds a pop of color but also connect your space with nature. In conclusion, farmhouse decor is about creating a cozy, welcoming environment that celebrate simplicity, history, and the beauty of countryside. Whether you live on a farm or in the heart of the city, incorporating farmhouse elements can transform your space into a heaven of comfort and style. Lastly, let's not forget about greenery. Thanks for joining us today and happy decorating.